problems with our subject matter experts, our labs, our facilities, and to move our economy forward. NASA's here to bring our technologies and expertise to solve problems for
It is an amazing organization with so much talent that is very motivated to work with industry. I found the engineering staff here extremely motivated to see some of their innovation drive in industry. And that energized us. And so we really enjoyed